Now a couple of days ago I decided I'd play a little bit of silly buggers with Mother Nature, and unfortunately I came off second best, and it's something that I thought you might find quite humorous, so if you're that way inclined, have a look at the following. I'm sure you're going to enjoy it.
So it started raining and I thought, rough out loud, I'm so funny, I'll cook my dinner under a table and an umbrella. Unfortunately, 30 seconds later, this happened.
So here we are in the campground and we've got some crazy hail. Don't know if we should be out here. Whoa! That's a hailstone. Hey! My sausages! My sausages. Unfortunately, we ended up having dinner which consisted of soggy sausages and bread whilst getting absolutely pelted by hail standing underneath a tree. It was quite possibly the worst meal I think we've ever had. And if there's any lesson for any kids out there, it's this: don't ever with Mother Nature. You'll always come off second best.